we headed?
We're headed to the cabin. And it's a little chilly out.
Tell us the temperature. What's a little chilly, buddy?
15 degrees.
And apparently here in Alaska, that's a little chilly. Here's my feet warmers. Some animal was here.
Wait, your mom's talking to your sister. Just a second. You can like totally see your breath if you're.
Are you cold?
Oh, Mariah. Oh my gosh. How are you doing that?
Because I've had them right next to the fire and
Everybody
they hurt.
for
They're
hot
terrible.
chocolate. Hot chocolate, nice and hot.
Who's gonna feed your spider? Can you just ate a whole load of my seeds? You should got it. Right there.
I'm trying to watch the movie, Kitty.
French babes don't shoot their pits.
What's that supposed to be?
Alright, here, take that out of your mouth.
You would love the ballet Swine Lake, of course. Uh-huh. Your favorite opera would be Pigoletto.
Pigoletto? That's a fun name.
It is a funny name.
The great firework experiment of 2017.
Is that gonna...
Oh, you're going the wrong
You're
way.
going the wrong
You're going
way.
the wrong way, dude. There it is. Oh my gosh.
It's the closest we'll ever be to Harry Potter.
It's almost like Northern Lights.
I know.
Action!
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Well, that's gonna wake up the kids for sure. It should be very, very marked up. Oh.
Why are you scared to?
Don't judge me.
Doesn't hurt.
Whoa, yours are going off way faster.
way faster than mine. And farther. Ooh.
And also, you look like a ghost in this video because your face isn't showing.
That's a deadly one, dude.
So, you've always wanted to have a cabin in the woods, kind of like this. So what about it sounds so appealing to you?
So the great thing about having a cabin is that it's a place where you go to relax, and it's like a meditation room. It's a place where you go and relax and just enjoy. If you look around, there's just trees everywhere. There's not people to bother you, and because everyone who comes out here with the mentality of like relaxing and having a good time. No one's like out here complaining about work or like anything like that. We're just out having a good time. And in the summertime you can drive a mile that way and go fishing, and in the wintertime you can sit inside and play games together, and it's just a great place to sit back and have a good time.